Well, hello YouTube land. So I'm Monica. I'm in Southern California, which is zone 10. I don't know, maybe it's 10B. So this is my mom's garden, just kind of a mishmash. I think she's working on it. So what I'm doing today is I got these the other day. What are they? The tomato cages. I've got two. But I want to show you what I'm doing in the backyard of my mom's home. So to kind of, provide food for us, especially because the prices are going up and I don't know if she's on a fixed income or not. I don't know. I believe my dad, put her in a good, spot in good condition, but I don't really know about that finances, hers. So there's some hanging, 1, 2, 3, those hanging pepper plants, hot peppers. Okay, and then we have this, what you call it, shelving trellis thing. It's my mom wants to paint it and then put it back over there in the corner. So along this wall here is like her garden, her flowers, and over here is, I think it's ginger. And so that black trellis shelving unit thingamajig is going to go right there where that space is, where that pan is. That pan has gone on so many camping trips from growing up. Okay, so anyway, so it'll be cleaned out and worked on. So let's go over here. Here's some soil that I'm going to be using. All right, and then there's the orange tree. So my idea is, my goal is to grow 4 plants, 4 different types this spring. Okay, that's my goal. So right here is going to be the peppers. So there's 2 milk crates. So I'll put 2 plants in each one. So for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. And so I'll prepare that. And what I'm thinking, I ordered some stakes, 6 foot tall. So I'll put 2 stakes, 1 on each end of those crates, and then use string. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use just string or the Florida weave, because it's only my second year of growing food. And last year, I didn't really know what I was doing. I learned how to do the starts and the transplants, but then I didn't really know how to make them grow and harvest really well. So here there's 3 crates right now, but I'm gonna make it into 2, and again, with 2, with 1, with the 6 foot stakes, 1 on each end of the 2 crates, and then the string. Now, since these plants already have the string, like on the bottom, maybe I'll just use the string up at the top. I'm not exactly sure yet what I'm doing here. So partly I'm making this video to show you what I'm doing, but also to ask for your ideas and input, anyone out there in YouTube land. So, okay, so the one on the far left, it's dead. I mean, those plants died, whatever was there. I think I have 3 plants right here, and I think they're all cherry tomatoes. So I've got 1 going up this white pole. Okay, well, it's stopped right there. And then I've got 1 right here and 1 right there. And it's broken over here, so it needs some tending, but I haven't tended to it. Okay, so there's that one. Then the next one over here is going to be, there's 4 black crates, and I'm thinking of Roma tomatoes here. And again, 2 stakes, 1 on each end, and the string. And so that's what's going to go there. Okay, so let's recap. So down there is going to be the sweet green peppers or bell peppers. And then there is going to be the cherry tomatoes, I think. And then here is going to be my Roma tomatoes. And then along this wall, it's empty right now because I've been playing around, but I'll put 4 cucumbers, 4 cucumber plants. Same thing, they're going to grow up, 2 6 foot stakes and the crates. Why am I using crates? Because we just had a whole bunch. So I'm like, well, let's just use what we have. And then here is going to be 4 plants and 4 plants of, what are they? Yellow squash and zucchini, I think. I think that's what I'm doing. And my mom said I can go up to right there, and that's it. So even though there's like all this space like down there, and then even to the right, like there's like a whole little plot of land is just empty. I'm not going to show you, but like there's tons of space, but She said up to right here. Okay, so we'll have to listen to Mom. All right, over here is going to be beets. I saw a YouTube that you could just grow beets like that, but I'm not sure. So I planted like a whole bunch. We'll see what's going on. And then here's my starts for the peppers. No, these are, what are they? These are the tomatoes, the Roma, the cherry, the cucumber, and the bell pepper. So that's what's in there. Here, we've got two different things going on. So on this side, I planted 2 of like 5 different kinds. And then later on, I planted 4 of the same thing that's right there. So, no, I did 5 cucumbers, but then I did 4 cherry, 4 Romas, and 4 sweet peppers. So, my cucumber is coming up. Where is it? On one of these, right there. Okay, so the cucumber's coming up, and, well, at least one of the 5 is. And then right here is my cherry tomato. And then here's another cherry tomato, but I think, I don't know, it's been like in the 90s this week. And then my Roma tomatoes are doing great. Let me show you. So there's a Roma tomato right here, Roma tomato, Roma, and Roma. Wait, 1, 2, 3, only 4 Romas. No, there's 6. Only 4 of them are labeled. Okay, and then the sweet peppers are in the back. And they're not coming up yet, but I'm hoping that they do. And then I did 2 of each kind. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. But I didn't label those because they were the first ones that I did, and I just, wanted to get it done. So, so that's what happened. Okay, note to myself: you must know what you plant. Okay, and then these are the peppers. Okay, so the ones that are labeled are the jalapenos, the ones that have the stick on them. So these I just barely planted recently. And then the other ones that are not labeled, they're the red hot pepper, and then green jalapeno pepper. So those are, the idea is to put them in the hanging plants. So, so that's the idea. There's some more things to grow. I have some sweet potato starts, tubers, and what else did I get? Some strawberries, and I have some seeds for green beans, but I'm not ready to do green beans quite yet. So the sweet potato tubers, what are they called? The strawberries, and I have some seeds for like green leaf lettuce or something. And I have, that green stalk? I have the 5-tiered green stalk. This is just the bottom layer, but I have, the other layers. And let's go back over here. And I could do strawberries or green beans on this one, right? I don't know yet. And then I got these because, they didn't have the stakes. They didn't have the 6-foot stakes, and I didn't want to just leave the store empty-handed. So I ended up having to order the stakes, 6-foot tall stakes online, but I had already gotten these cages. So this video is longer than I had expected, but if you have any thoughts, ideas, suggestions, or even words of encouragement, of course, is also appreciated. Feel free to leave that in the section down below. And thank you for watching my video. This is Monica Velez from Southern California. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you always. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.